Hi friends, it's Andrea over at Sewspire. I hope you're doing well. I am here today with an unboxing and a pattern selection. I just received a huge shipment of fabric from Big Duck Canvas, and we are going to be collaborating on 3 tutorials for you all. The first is going to be a t-shirt, the second is going to be a desktop caddy, and the third is going to be custom fabric making, or sublimation as they call it. That is a little bit more specialized, but Big Duck has the blank fabric that you could use to sublimate your own fabric. So more about that later. What I want to do first is open up the package and get a look at what they sent to me. It's huge and it is really heavy. Like, there is a lot of fabric here, so I want to offer my heartfelt gratitude to the folks over at Big Duck Canvas. I am really grateful for the generous gift of this fabric, and I'm super excited to create these tutorials and work with your awesome material. So now I have to cut through all of this plastic. These used to be my good tulip pink shears, and then they got some little chips out of them. So I'm gonna use these to open up this plastic. And I'm going to be careful not to accidentally cut the fabric. The fabric is on big rolls, so I really like that because then it's not wrinkled. I can't get it out. I might have to lay it down here and go to work like that. That was a little bit more intense than I expected, but I appreciate that the fabric arrived nice and secure, and there is no chance that it was damaged or acquired any dirt or dust, because they did an amazing job packaging that. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring up what I think is canvas, and we're going to have a look at that. This is gorgeous. It matches the scissors perfect. This here is an 18-ounce Army Duck in plum. I love purple. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Something tells me we're gonna need more than 3 tutorials to use up all this material. Okay, I think this is the stoned washed canvas, vintage cotton in Harbor Blue. It is a 12-ounce canvas. Then this beautiful gray here is a stoned washed canvas in Moon Dust, and it is beautiful as well. It's also 12 ounces. And then I believe this is the 12-ounce Bull Denim in Breeze. I did not weigh in on what they would send me, so this is really exciting for me. My fabric picker over at Big Duck did a great job. They just selected all my favorite colors, so I am really excited to make some awesome things from this material. It's so durable. I love their canvas because you don't need interfacing. You just need good quality thread and you're all set. Okay. Oh, wow. Now this feels really durable too, so I think that this is printed canvas polyester. So we can make bags out of this. So stand by for the t-shirt fabric. When I'm feeling this, it is super soft, but it's not t-shirt material, and it certainly isn't moisture wicking. It's definitely more like feels like a canvas, although they call it a printed canvas polyester, and it is 10 ounces. So, woo-wee, look at that. Gorgeous. And I think this is going to change prints. Look at that. Oh, these colors are gorgeous for fall. There we go. And those two prints go together really nice. So we got like some blackberries and then the flowers. Okay, so multiple yards of a printed canvas that we can use. Now this is super soft. This is something that you would absolutely want a shirt made of. It feels great. And as mentioned, it's supposed to be moisture wicking. So that will be perfect for the August heat. So we have some really sweet rainbows first, and I think this is also going to change as I unroll it. And as you can see, I have lots of options. So I'm thinking we're also going to be making a dress, maybe some kind of like casual lounge pants. So again, this is moisture wicking fabric, so it's going to feel great. It's so soft. Like I'm just laying on it and it naturally feels cool. So like cool to the touch. So this is awesome. So you're going to be choosing the fabric and the pattern, and then you will have plenty of time to purchase your pattern and get your fabric before I publish the tutorial. So let's have a look at my patterns, and then you guys can choose your favorite for the t-shirts. Sound good? Okay, so I just want to consolidate your choices for you. So you are going to be choosing from McCall's 6964, McCall's 7323, McCall's 7286, Simplicity 8376, and McCall's 7322. Pick one t-shirt pattern, and then you're going to choose one fabric. So this is Big Duck's Aqua Tropical Jungle, Fairy Forest Mushrooms, Rose Hip Night, Sunflower Kiss, my personal fave, Sunset Palm, and Boho Rainbow. Now the remaining roll there on the floor is, I believe, 10 yards of the plain white polyester, which we will be able to design custom fabric and print it on that using my sublimation printer. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and I've had the sublimation printer for more than a year now, and I've never really got to do much besides make the mugs. So I'm super excited to design some fabric, and that will be a really neat adventure for us as well. So right now what we're going to focus on is our t-shirt. All right, so anyways, as you can tell, we're going to have a ton of fun with all of this Big Duck fabric. I will put my affiliate link to Big Duck down in the notes for you if you want to check out their offerings. That would be great, and it's a really simple way for you to support the channel and keep me well stocked in fabric. So I want to thank you all for watching today. I'm really looking forward to sewing this t-shirt with you very soon. I just want to give you a couple days to vote, and then we'll be making a t-shirt together. Thanks for joining me today. See you soon.